Alright, this is about final drive shaft maintenance. As you can see, there's a couple different holes, different bolts here. This here is a breather. This just lets pressure build up inside the case here to breathe. Here is your oil fill and also a check hole. Use a special tool to remove the cap. Oil level almost on every final drive unit should be up to the edge of the threads. As you can see on this one, it's low. So I will add some fluid. Make sure that you use a specified oil by your manufacturer. This bike happens to be an 80-90 weight GL5 gear oil for the final drive. And now you can see, as I just top it up a little bit, the oil goes all the way up to the front of the threads, right to the very edge. Just seeping over just a little, right there. I'm going to tighten that up. And none of these have to be too awful tight. Little O-rings on there to keep everything sealed. And we'll be using our special tool to tighten it up so we don't ruin the groove. It's going to have to be very tight. Inspection of the final drive is the seam between the rear wheel and the final drive unit. If you had an oil leak, you would be able to see oil spraying on your wheel. It would be on the case here, and there is a hole here that will drip out to let you know that you do have a problem. There's a seal in there, and that's one of the things you want to check. Make sure there's no oil coming out of here. This right here is your drain for draining the final drive. Keep an eye on your final drive oil. Change it at specified times by the manufacturer, and you should probably never have a problem.